But mom, I don't want to go to school. Can you please let me stay home?
Daniel, go pack your stuff and go to school now or you will be grounded.
No.
Oh, you don't want to go, huh? Come here, you little kid.
Man, I can't believe that I got forced to go to school by my mom. What should I do? HMMMMMMM. Haha. I have an idea. I will pull the alarm and run away. Hello fellow students. Today we are doing the Daniel crying voice like but anyways, let's start the mission.
Has anyone pulled the fire alarm? Anyone?
Let's go home now. Daniel, you're in trouble now.
Yeah. Daniel. I can't believe that you pulled the fire alarm and got detention. That's error. You are grounded for 99990 years. Go to your freaking room right now.
Now.